What happens when the weakest child in a family of gods decides he's had enough? Cronus was the smallest of 12 titans, constantly mocked by his massive siblings who saw him as worthless. While his brothers and sisters enjoyed their power, they ignored their mother Gaia's desperate pleas to free their imprisoned siblings from Tartarus. Only Cronus listened. Only he cared. Night after night, he trained alone with weapons while his family slept, building strength they never noticed. Gaia whispered to him in secret, telling him he was the only one brave enough to act. Then came the breaking point. At a divine feast, his father Uranus publicly humiliated him, calling him the runt who would never amount to anything. Something snapped inside Cronus. Years of rage exploded as he grabbed the adamantine sickle Gaia had forged. His siblings' faces turned to horror as they realized the truth. The weakest among them had become the most dangerous, and tomorrow the cosmos would bleed.